Hey guys, I want to share a couple tips with you while tiling. I learned this over the years from people commenting to me and also just by experience. So when you're laying your tiles down, normally you lay down your lines with whatever trowel you're using on the angle you're supposed to, and then you just drop the tile on. That's what I always did. But it's good to actually cover this base with a little bit of cement as well, just so you get a better adhesion. So you just grab a little bit, spread it out as thin as possible. You're just covering this, and then we can drop our tile down. So that's the one tip on that. And that just gives you more cement coverage, make sure everything touches on the tile. Another tip, when you're pushing these down, to lower it, and the cement's sitting there, you can grab, I'm doing 1/4 inch spacing for my grout lines, so this was a painter's stick. I broke a piece off and I get in here to get the extra cement out. This helps me level the tiles better, and also at the same time prep it for grout later, so you don't have to start scrubbing it all out with the grout line blade, to get all the cement out to lay your grout. So that just saves you time later when you clean this out with this. And then one last tip, remember I have a bucket and a couple of sponges. This is a lifesaver. They usually have a soft side and a scrubby side, right? Keep all this clean. So same thing, when you finish tiling, you less cement to scrape off and clean up. So I hope this is helpful for you. That's all I have. Any professional out there is comment if you have other tips. I'm not trying to preach how to tile, just wanted to share those couple of tips. Thanks for watching, and come back soon, we got more coming.
Thank you and have a nice day.